Hello students, today we are going to read about the symmetry. Do you have an idea about the symmetry? What you have learned about the symmetry in previous class? Yes, so you have a rough idea of the symmetry. So here in this video, we are going to read about that line of symmetry, rotational symmetry, order and angle of symmetry. What is symmetry? Symmetry is a Greek word which means to measure together. Definition: an object is said to have symmetry if it is identical part that coincide with each other when you flip side or turn it. Then, what is a symmetrical line? That is a line of symmetry. So here we have the leaf. So when we fold a leaf, the two parts of the leaf coinciding. That line is called as the line of symmetry. That is, when you divide an object with a line of symmetry, then the two parts to be similar. Then that object is called as a symmetrical figure. So there are many interesting things in which existing in nature. Example, butterfly, human body. Then line of symmetry. So what is a line of symmetry? So when the figure cut out exactly at center vertically, then its halves will be congruent. Then the line or folded line is called as a line of the symmetry. When an object divides into two with a line, then that line is called as line of symmetry. Then symmetry for regular polygon. So you know that what is a polygon? Yes, polygon is a closed figure made up of several line segments. There should be at least 3 line segments. That is triangle, which starts from the triangle. So then four-sided figure is square, pentagon, hexagon. So here we have drawn the similar line of symmetry. So a line of symmetry is equal to that number of sides of the polygon. See here triangle has 3 sides, so the line of symmetry is also 3. Then square has 4 sides, then the line of symmetry is 4. Then pentagon has 5 sides, then the line of symmetry has 5. Then hexagon has 6 sides figure, then the line of symmetry has 6. Then what is a line of symmetry of circle? So circle has no sides, so here that circle has infinite line of numbers, so uncountable line of symmetry. So circle has uncountable line of symmetry. Then what is a rotational symmetry? When an object rotates, its shape and size do not change. This rotation turns an object about arrived point. This point is called as center of rotation. The angle of turning during rotation is called the angle of rotation. How many times that coincides is called the order of rotation. So here we are having that angle of rotation. So an object rotates from starting point to the end point, then the angle is covers 360 degree. That is full rotation. One it covers full rotation, then the angle covers 360 degree. When it is an off rotation, then the angle covers by 180 degree. When it covers by quarter rotation, then the angle covers its 90 degree. So this is the angle of rotation. So full rotation is 360 degree, then off of the rotation is 180 degree, then the quarter rotation is 90 degree. For every quarter you can add it by 90 degrees. Then what is an order of rotational symmetry? Order of rotation, see here we have the rectangle figure here. So when it rotates to the 90 degree, it has the horizontal shape. Then when it rotates to the 180 degree, it looks like to the original shape. Same way, when it rotates to the 270 degree, again it is in horizontal position. Then when it rotates to the 360 degree, it is in the vertical form. So it's same as the original shape. So here at the angle 180 degree and angle 360 degree is equal, it's similar to the original shape. Then the order of the rotational symmetry is 2. So when an object rotates, then if that object rotates, the angle, that is when it reaches the angle, it's similar to the original object, then that times is called as that order of rotation. So here some figures are given and they given that number of rotational symmetry. So the first figure is the triangle, but it is not an equilateral triangle. Only equilateral triangle has the rotational symmetry. So here it is not an equilateral triangle. So it has no rotational symmetry. The second figure is that odd as order 2. Then the third figure has three orders because it is an equilateral triangle. Then the fourth figure is four-sided figure, so it has order as 4. Then the fifth figure is pentagon, so the order of that one is 5. Yes. So I hope so you are able to understand what is an angle of symmetry and what is an rotation of symmetry, then order of symmetry. Yes, thank you.